Hi guys, and welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries, episode number 33, right? Am I wrong? Am I right? 33. Great. So, today I'm not alone. Dina, although the introducer any moneti, Mara, nendo fadzina fedzes ngoshate. Aibo. Upi Chibuya, right?
Yeah, and Loan.
Yes, I'm glad to go kaka. So Chibuya, please introduce yourself and as long as the age, I mean, did you introduce yourself? Oh, Shaman.
In the minge.
You don't look old though. Okay, how old are you?
I'm not.
How old are you?
I'm mid-20s.
So come mid-20s in the before 24, the before the 25.
25 in the mid, but I'm not 25.
You are younger than 25. You're older.
I'm older than 25.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
Why are you 26?
Hey,
I'm also 26. Oh no, you Damn. Okay, anyways, so you're 26. So where do you come from in Venda?
Vampeni, Tina Elium.
This side, Uzuragai.
Auckland Park. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately, see? Actually, do you wanna tell people what happened? Why were you late?
Yeah.
Or what happened exactly? No, I'm trying to understand exactly what happened. Yeah. I told me yeah.
So
no, not go for Porsche. It's okay.
Okay, so okay, then that's raw and it's like a room. So mnangwanga and the glass.
Okay.
So earlier on, someone texted in a group So this person's like, roba gate.
The main gate.
Yeah, the small gate. It was a main gate. So they were like, let's try. So they tried that. And I'm thinking, okay, yo, I'm seeing this big ass guy.
So any obuzofi bakuzama gete ari bangasishike kai.
Yeah, because it's not the first incident. The other ones, there's like two others.
So you didn't call anyone when they told you someone is trying to break in? You just like,
I said to keep quiet. Plus I was in class and stuff, so I'm like, nah.
And then you chose class.
Yeah.
Okay, no, because them will understand the events of how it happened.
Yeah.
So if you phone it up, get a main.
Group.
And I didn't do the school.
Because before, because it's a main house, like twice.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm sure plus it's class. It was a lie.
But it's faith though.
Yeah. Grace Worship Center.
Yeah, I'm sure your pastor is very proud of you.
He passed away.
Oh, he was? Grace? Wait,
no.
There's a Grace, Maranjerere. Grace, no, what? Higher Grace.
Yeah,
yes.
Grace is
yeah.
So obviously there'll be a lot of churches named.
Yeah, and then?
Yeah, so I see this big guy. I see this big guy offer something. So he opens the door. I'm in class, my camera's on and everything because it's a virtual class. So ovura avurantun, avuramnango, and then it's like come a laptop or a phone avure. I'm not sure. It happened so fast. I just saw it was a big colored guy. Like
it's colored.
He was tall. He had a body.
Like you're massacant or what did he say?
Normal English. Like
please give me your phone.
Normal. He didn't even have an accent. It was like, give me your laptop and your phone. So
what?
I'm like, okay.
So that's my class singing. Just finger. They're seeing everything happening.
Yeah, but unfortunately, someone was presenting. So when that happens,
everyone.
It gets minimized.
And your screen. I'm sure.
I'd muted. So, but luckily, I was able to like switch on my camera.
Wow.
Yeah, I thought fast. So luckily, I have two phones. So ntinda ipanga mabaini. So when it was like phone that sacrifice decision all the way. So I did that and obviously I checked the phone and everything that Twitter password number because I didn't know or data if I didn't do that.
Yeah.
So I gave him my phone, he took my work laptop. Yeah. And yo tomo charger. Oh, what a charger.
Batung.
I know this is
how you go a bedroom.
Full package.
You go to a with a charge. I'm sure you only have Facebook market somewhere. You go run.
But
as kids, but I'm sure it was very traumatizing, hey?
it was an out of body experience. So I didn't end up for
I'm sure those like that.
Yeah, because I've been like we're running on adrenaline dubalote. So I'm just like, yo.
Considering the fact that Zuyitanga Masiari, I'm sure that's like even worse.
And you least expected Zuyitanga Masiari. So
yeah.
The adrenaline fades. Yeah. I know there's chua mara. I'm sure the chua late.
No, no chua mara. I know go funga chua, but you look.
I'm sure I'm go like ndichi go denga no ndo namela Uber team mbiru. Because I'm like, what if we to answer? Because now you start thinking, even though like before, don't need to okay, banganza or what if it's a new place.
Why is I got to follow? Can I appreciate a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
You don't?
No.
Uru single, guys. So I'm just putting it out there. Mara, like,
I'm
can
not
imagine you are not looking for a relationship.
No.
Why?
Hey, it's time consuming. I'm trying to build my career. There was one, not this year, later.
After work,
okay, after work, like cute things.
Yeah, like you want to be with a church guy.
Not a church guy. You
know what that means? Okay, difference your courtship and relationship.
You know, like this person is trying to get to know you. That's what I'm trying. Like
that's dating. Like you guys are dating.
Yes, you're not
getting to know each other. So what you're trying to say is you guys are not intimate. You're not. You're just talking.
You're getting to know this person.
Yeah,
because relationships are time consuming. But when am I going to see you? When will you make time for me?
I don't know. I think when you're into a person, you never get to the question, when am I seeing you?
Exactly.
Because I'm basically just always gonna be in your face.
Yeah, and I don't know, but I like being alone, so I don't know.
Okay, so you're single. Do you want to drop your Instagram handle?
No, someone DM.
Okay, no problem. Before the Chiangwara Tattoo Studio, so Rikoshuta Lens Hub Studio. The email address is lenshub@gmail.com. Your address is stressa. But anyways, the street is Gwigwi Murebi, right? Street 38 Gwigwi Murebi Street, and the number is 081-473-4775. So you can literally just go back. Not para radio, sorry.
More views.
Hey, more views, rewind. But anyways, I think since no manga para I think right now the most trending topic is royal heritage. Definitely. In Venda, right?
Yeah.
The elephant in the room. What do you think about Makhadzi hosting an event? 2, right?
Isn't it one?
No, only
only have one.
There's another one though, because it was 2 posters. Royal Madombija.
Oh, I think we
yeah. So how do you feel about it? Do you think it's petty? Do you think?
At first I thought it was petty. I'm like, okay, if they cut her out ngayikeka royalty, I'm thinking, okay, because she's big, she decides to that kind of chaya. But the thing she the one I saw in a lineup yerana, like some people that are also on royal
Venda.
Yes.
That one vele but because if you want it's always like the same people. But then I heard, I'm not sure if this is true, but I heard allegedly she was offered 150K.
Mm-hmm.
And she was like, yeah, what do you think? How do you feel about that?
Maybe it's that thing or Indikara could pay for Makai, so she's like, if they're not
150, bro.
But if you mean that thing, how much you charge people, maybe like she's like, I've done a lot, plus I have BT awards, at the end of the day, you pay for
Mahayani, right?
Yeah.
150. I don't think Naka line up here to 150. So I'm sure she was probably being the most paid. Because Kala in Apio, I'm thinking they're definitely not getting 150.
Yeah.
Now any chances are she can probably sleep at home as a performer. 150. So I'm just trying to think. So if really she's trying to be petty, exclusive, I don't know.
But I don't think so. I think royal, Krita, it has this reputation because when it's like is it an annual event?
Yeah.
Yeah, so obviously it has that thing. So it's rare, maybe like but royal, but they ain't Makhadzi. But I think people can Makhadzi create an event here because they are royal.
But then here's
Makhadzi
the thing.
Is probably like maybe she didn't want to perform. Maybe that's why set a price or they'll probably maybe
nende bonongari aunori awane venue ngaduva litile lineup ya dropa, don't you think that's a plan is
Or it was
event?
premeditated.
I think so, because you can't get 2 venues and a whole lineup duality your dropper. So I feel like maybe she knew she wanted to host, of which Maraoti asked no, this is not enough. I've got something going on.
Mara, why you choose on a date in tea? Venda is too small for.
But then here's the thing, right? Okay, Royal ndifongari idoba naba 2 hours, and then Makhadzi ndifongari udo that's exclusive, because also remember, exclusive, you cannot compare exclusive na Mudau or Royal Gardens. You like,
yeah, that's true.
And all those 4 marquees and whatever, because I heard there's gonna be like 4. Let me check, 4 marquees or no 3.
3 monkeys.
Yeah, unaya. And then no, there's like 4 monkeys. Prep young. I know the women's month. You must just stay away from me. So, enough monkeys are 4. There's no, the 4 in this one. There's Rwanda, there's Arumbi, there's SABC and Royal Heritage. Speaking of SABC, apparently 2 people used to think Royal India para. Yeah, it's actually.
Mara, doesn't para fall under SABC?
Yeah, but I don't think there are people that actually link it, you know.
That's crazy, Mara.
It's not okay.
Okay, probably
exactly.
Not. But there's a lot of stations that fall under SABC or it's like their subsidiary,
yeah,
the big company. So never Zita Village Kodo about the other SABC, because when
I was still saying and it's just like host a club with my keys. It's not the same thing. So yes, Udo that's and that's gonna be an achievement for her. If that's what she wanted, it's okay. But then now, and I also heard Royal is Makhadzi, because
perform a event
why
we talk about petty, those people
they are making money. Exactly my point. They're making money. So I don't know. I think Zote is the success because royalty and everyone failure. So I think Zote is the success and everyone must just make their money. But Sehoana 150K, I think it's a bit petty. Plus, considering
allegedly.
But their cash.
Lukwamba zosari city.
Kwamba zona unyo namba zvipecha.
Itiaja 150 the numbers zvipecha.
Mara azvitsugo raro obero zviwana andashango uya go the IG nandoni 1 uya go the 250 nandoni okay, I don't know, I guess that's her worth and that's okay. Mara, I just feel like considering the fact that nakare oba chi performer Venda, she perform a Royal even before she became the Makhadzi that probably wants 250 now for 1 hour 30 minutes.
I've never seen her perform.
Okay, then I don't want to perform Mara. It was I think over Velio clock over Fistos and it was just for 10
minutes.
15 maybe. 15. Yeah.
But she puts a lot of energy.
She puts a lot of energy and I really do
and
feel
like
dancers,
you know. Does she have a DJ? Who DJs?
But everybody else has dancers. Dancers, don't you think?
Yeah.
But okay, Natikori, she's not worth it. I'm just saying, considering the fact that
but maybe also Zana company or like SABC para. I'm sure when a budget. Maybe. But like compared to other years, is this more than what she was charging? Is this a dress thing?
I am shocked Makhadzi is charging that much. Then it's weird. Then how much is Black Coffee charging?
Yo. All international.
100. $1 million. 1 million. But oh my God, wait on. I don't know about the sign language, you Mikey. Make it make sense. How much does Black Coffee charge? How much do you think he charges?
Mara Black Coffee zone where Zambi most plus 10 wako charge because he mostly performs in other overseas. So wako charge the currency zabo.
Oh yes.
So uzuchi it becomes more than mana yone shedala kana rikhoyambe ingange. It's still a lot.
I don't know, man.
Mara's created a reputation. I think Makhadzi or create a brand and a reputation for herself. So
yeah,
maybe that's why
we deserve and this one mara ndiskobono ngaringa uri ndi Venda ndi hayani oti ya uijia. You know, considering the fact that okay, come on, at the end of the day she could have still pushed those gigs still up perform. I don't know about them. I think she just doesn't want to. I don't think it's a money issue.
I think maybe we'll set out that price to be like basongo
because let's look at it like this. Makhadzi had to perform ubachiavia BET. Do you think but there yako perform ako charge 200? Unape tune mtu natomubona oya niko tochibona. Okay, fact checker.
Lekau charge 2.7 between 2.7 million na 5.5 million
for one DJ set.
Akututangana.
Hango. Watu kubambela chile deni.
Iso Venda chadombona.
I'm sure what change the rate
I think what
based
says
on
in
that.
Guy. That's why I'm like maybe na Makhadzi you're right. If I know says
do you understand what I'm saying? That's unapetune
200.
Unapetune na mubona ko perform na chibono reach stage there's no way urobadira 200.
That's true.
Na crowd unyayibona ini yabe kuvumela.
Right.
It doesn't look like bana 200 are bomubeka stage so I really feel like she just didn't want to be there, and which is okay, and I feel like we need to own it. Instead of making people go around, now it's just a whole thing. I just do a visa poster before.
I think the whole statement, Nyana. I think unless maybe she's if it's not true.
I'm really worried about the management.
What now you on management?
How do you uku survive son? I'm sure the way they're running things is very funny. Looking at both the marketing and the PR management, they are not doing a good job because but yo mubudza uri Makhadzi no in a BET you are the woman you think you are now, so you can't just be talking, you can't just be posting the way you used to post.
True.
But anyways, I'm not blaming her, and I know she's gonna pull it off, although that's out there. She's Makhadzi at the end of the day, and people are gonna compare prices and feel like okay because I just feel like she should have been real.
Makhadzi instead of
no but whatever no afford that we also in terms of transport
even the ticket I saw of one, I think it was like 150 and they are royal as 250. I mean 240 somewhere there. Okay. So if you're thinking maybe in the giraffe 150 and they're going to shika event ya Makhadzi and still see some like the same people like a push so it'll still work.
I don't know, man. I'd become Makhadzi. Anyways, royal, and it's actually going to be my first time there.
I've always wanted to go.
Really?
Yeah, I've never been.
I think Obongori Auntie yangu ya general ndio pokandiwa so and that's not share VIP
matika koduresa
yo adresiwa ukliniwa shoni mfuzeti kuti ya isto ukliniwa ndo dzata kula box for me that was not going to work mara watu unosfana and ubunira ukudhipa ngange but it's just not
your vibe.
It's not my vibe and atikototonga it's just not my vibe.
Music kwa fana so
atikwamba nga music ndikwamba ngo usakona uri ndichineta ndidzweka sofa. That's my problem.
But then achidura
that's another thing ndichetolete ndotona kemche that guys no that's not soft. That's not soft. Let's move on. I want us to talk about did you watch Lekau's wife's interview?
I don't watch it. Yeah, Antonia, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, yes.
Yeah,
did you watch it?
Madam Speaker. No, I
didn't watch it.
I haven't watched it.
Let me give you a breakdown.
I haven't gotten time.
So, basically what she was saying was, okay, for those that don't know, Lekau is the founder of Drip, right? So, there's been articles, Bazuri or Breakup, they're
divorcing.
Yeah, divorce and. So, all of Makhadzi Abish is not a famous person. So we never got to get her side of the story till now.
No, I think she was trying to speak, to papers.
Mara,
but I think this is the biggest.
Papers.
Yeah, this is the
when
biggest.
Last did you read a paper? That's the thing. Wait, what about a newspaper?
Yeah, my dad buys a newspaper every day. So
at least because you have a dad. Now you, because you have a dad. That's the problem.
So you're dark.
That's why, because you have a dad. So there is, in South Africa, there is a the dad is not there, or she's just gone.
Yeah.
So also, it's just I can't imagine Ubaka newspaper when I can be on Twitter.
That's true.
And Lekau has the most influence, and also the fact that Ajitoma Dripu over Mboro Tomaka a little shack and so what that woman was saying was first of all, she was the one that helped him start the brand because he was not working. Now go to your toma deliver it. It's hers. I've him up the builder.
And there's a shop.
They got married, and then the wife was and then Lekau Obong, my mom stays somewhere else. She's somewhere else. I think I don't know guy. And then I find out the mother stays in Alexandra in a shack. She took the mom, one of her rental rooms, because one of the rooms, and then remember that's the first red flag. This man lied to you about where his mom stays. You are married to this man. Ndizvezvo imwe red
like
flag.
it's a lot.
You guys fall in love too deep. You guys fall
Cannot
so
do a faces.
hard. You guys fall so hard. Sharp. And then the other thing is
Umupa capital.
Omupa Capital. Obviously, to her, it didn't seem like Ndikomupa Capital. It was just
We're building as a
we
family.
are building as a family. This is the legacy of Banabanga,
Business
right?
right? Family.
That's the thing. And then Amutusa, a builder, and then it got to a point. Okay, what was interesting to me was the fact that Ori, when the money started coming in, no, it's not allegedly. She said it, Kayla, to I have a reference. So when the money started coming in, he started doing like weird stuff.
Like a tom change.
Yeah, we are late. Also, over Achibotomo with like what they don't believe in, like vibes. And then apparently you used to say, do you think this business is doing manga yotena and stuff like that? So she was saying all those things.
I need to watch it.
Over kuita party, mara like 1 hour Lekau offer 6 as because he was not paying for school fees. Vachidzola vakotatiwa. No serious ngamabambirane.
Ndibala online zvinongo ndikasienda ringa newspaper. Ndinotodhoera.
You know, online I didn't even know.
But
anyways, yeah, so I don't know, man. I don't know. I think this is okay. Well, first, what do you think about it? Artomenga patiori omutomera and all that. Buying the car.
Because even though they're married and everything, like she should have had a contract or okay, ndiko invest at this amount ka business. Ibila ufias business yabe tombas na yazu cool or something.
Yes.
So you know it's just nyanga because mutu ungasumthembe ungasumfunenga mbiru yawo yothe ufano you must think also. So I feel like they should have had a contract or uko invest they charede udowana mini from the business.
Mara, it's
even
very
if it's your husband, business and business.
I think the problem ibaya when we start and then because when you put it on the table you don't think it's gonna blow up, you don't think it's gonna be big,
so you're thinking
business. Personally, I've started like so many things. I never knew sustainable. Do you understand? So now I think and then now it blew up. Then she starts opening her eyes and realizing, okay, but I'm sure now I'm going to immediately because I was ring with the fancy cars, they were staying in a good home and whatever.
Exactly.
When the relationship, when the marriage. So I think Bob the Builder need to open up their eyes.
Maintenance, according to City
Yes,
Press.
as a maintainer.
Child maintenance.
Yes, and she was still maintaining his family.
Hey.
His mom.
Too much, Mar.
She was doing a lot.
So Bob the Builder na makoti number one. Hey.
Give me zero. It sounds like you're being a gold digger marabonani because no one ever talks about T Otomo no change her worse when to drip. So people probably saw her as when Lekau first came out, people probably thought, no, this girl
yeah.
No one talks about the type of people men become when there's no money. Ola o change west ichibopera when things started getting messed up.
Wamuna.
No, remember drip yobayo no scandal. Ichiko owasarsi. Is it not closed?
No, I call liquidatiwa. Yes, I call liquidatiwa.
Fact check
or something like that.
I feel like ukorozvitira ntola mtu or remember uchivana divorce so what almost split towards into the assets. So if nari chitu you went bankrupt then anga chiro chitu chine chabantu chisina cherede so anga vakozvimuvhera ka trust kana zvito zvana nane ndidei ndizongokotiwa.
Oksala, don't build a man, guys.
Don't be Bob the Builder.
If you get a chance,
put yourself first. Besides, bafana no builder bana.
And the are ahead of us when it comes to things like this. I think men are just selfish.
No, they are selfish.
Let's talk about it in a Women's Month. We're going to talk about it in a Women's Month. Men are very selfish. It can be in marriage. It can be
anyway.
But never be first all the time.
Exactly.
There's Anita something. Okay, we're going to put it as it is. If he cheats,
what are you doing?
You have to take it. You didn't go to your tender. Oh, my man.
Will work on it.
Try doing it.
The devil's work.
Try doing it. And then people are going to call you the B word. Because women are not allowed to
do things like that.
Exactly. Have you ever cheated?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
No, I haven't actually.
I think you have.
I'm trying to remember.
You can't remember if you. There's nothing to remember.
Maybe ndichamtuku, but now
Hi,
no. When not
Ochita
ndichamtuku like
chamtuku,
then,
honey.
but like younger than what I am now. Maybe like my early 20s.
You wouldn't forget. What do you mean?
Relationship with
Mara, you've cheated, ne?
No.
Don't worry, it was his fault.
No, I haven't. Nende faithful. Mtu wa serious.
Mara, I can't say if you cheated and then you're like, I don't know.
No, but like my
It's a safe space.
adult
The woman's
relationships,
man.
I haven't.
Really?
Yeah.
So depending on what happens.
Different things.
Like what? Give me one example. Your last one, you're paying
what if he watches?
Mara, you're paying.
Mara still ndishapuna. It's a long story, but anyway, I just felt like Rosako, we're not on the same path or same page, and also like now I think future. Atinya kuba na mutu nenda ngasibone future na like angasibe provider type of thing, you know, or doli wa yanga cherede.
Money was the issue.
One of that I could foresee.
Was it the main issue?
I mean, cherede beef pata relationship.
That's true. That's why Vusorobo you're on a tight zone. So, wait, I was scoring in a mixtape.
No.
I wait, son. I'm cooking something, babe.
No, not like that. I said it was music. You know, I was trying to look for a job.
Oh, Obako said.
Yeah,
But you
according
were
to
just
him.
not patient. Oh, according to him.
No, but it was working when we started dating. It's not like Nonduko because of that. So I'm like, it was one
that
of
was
the
just
factors.
the main. No, I know. Who's naturally the love? Yes, again. I know that.
No.
No, it's just how things go. Because
the thing
now
is,
we
for the
can't.
majority of the relationship, as a koshuma. So it's not like it was a big.
We're staying together.
No. Imagine.
Jamburi ningavana kuzona tumara yana mazozdivi. Ngori eno tumoro wadorimina yana.
No. Tuenda vendo
Avavoni mia wezito.
Mi angaba ka YouTube.
Damn. Hi, mommy. Anyways, okay. So you're saying the main issue was finances. That's why
it wasn't a main issue. It was one of the issues.
Okay.
And also I saw he lacked discipline.
He lacked discipline in terms of?
Maybe anga thoma something. Like anga thoma something and then I chiricha bukati. And then it started again.
Business-wise?
No, like don't
Come on. No, how come Muamba movie? It's what happened.
Okay, so I hope asazwone. Don't come where.
I'm block anything.
I'm block.
Yeah, blocked. Yeah.
Okay, I actually did a marathon team.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
so he
right?
was a fit guy.
Over fit, and then I don't know what happened.
Mara, don't you think the fact that Obasa Kushuma also got him depressed?
Yeah, I think so.
It happens to a lot of people.
But I feel like sometimes ungaita some like at least hold on to something, because I felt like I just enjoy as well gidim. So to me it's like you can't even put in a little bit of effort into that, because
you know,
so
it's
just like
both ways, hey. Like it's tiring for you as a girl to look at a man and think he's not doing enough, you know. Mara ene mune uyangaye wuna sunizunguita nakayethoni yawo.
Yes,
you know, when
Mara mtu you won't know.
Mara, it's very hard for, okay, I know it's not a good thing that men don't open up.
Yeah.
Mara, it's very hard for a man or at their confide, especially because you are working, he's not. At their yo baby, the fact that I'm not working, and they were depressed, I can't even run anymore. You're probably gonna say, no baby, try harder, push
exactly
through. So why am I telling you? Exactly. So I think that also probably demotivated him. So if that was the main issue, you guys can still fix things.
No thanks. It was also me. I didn't want to be, not that I know, but no, it doesn't seem like the type. Yeah, but
so what's a deal breaker for you?
Cheating.
Mara, you left him as a cheater, so
no, but there's like a lot of factors that like that are in a relationship, because when it's not just looking at one aspect or okay, I cheat and dotua as nached and dotua. Maybe it's lack of communication that will make you leave.
That's true.
You can't keep saying the same thing to him mututi as a change. Maybe I don't know, but there's a lot of factors that will make you leave a relationship.
And also there's this mentality you know, those people that your aunts that will wake up you know, it always feels like that when you are when God has placed you in a different level. You always feel like this person can do better.
No, but the thing is, to me, like anything monetary from him, like
Were you paying for the dinners and stuff?
Were we going out?
You guys were not going out?
No.
Now we're Rumuni.
Hey, I move on. Hey.
Okay, I now I get it. So okay, for now, if a provider was to step in, Prince Charming,
like
would you take him?
after Rwamba, he told me I could go through me and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So we're like, I work on, work on yourself type of thing. Yeah, I think it was better that way.
Okay, so if a provider was to come through now, you're going in.
Mara ukoleka kana leki.
Perfect.
But there's big things that are important.
Okay, I cheated because you said the deal breaker. Let's say I cheated.
No communicator.
Marana viyada.
Eh, do cleaner ngani?
Mara chile de oneti.
Do era made.
Unabo auntie. Hey, let's say unabiyada mara unabo auntie.
Okay, then. Ish.
Would you take that?
Mara do weka on it. Simutu wadzura kunya
No, we are dams no bebona wabutuwe.
Eh, as though don't you get practice?
No, you don't get better.
Yeah.
It's in you. You don't see mashika like ninga vula buruku hapa na sibubono ruwapa.
I'm frustrated mara.
So you see, there's always something.
Marona okay, we can work through this. We can back as well.
Ne?
Yeah.
Speaking of providers, Mihlali Uri.
Hey.
Uri.
Eh,
Allegedly.
Uri.
Oruana faka meme. Tizo zoro itsenwa oruwa
Okuzua na gumoni.
Ara apa ongo do itiang.
Ango zuruma.
Oru diruma palagan. Because I'm thinking, how did it get here?
Okay, statement chichiva cha ola boyfriend ya onti. So maybe when that incident happened, maybe I'm just guessing or town is not if it was one
Mara, what do you think about that entire situation?
Have a lot about toxic at this point. I think bafana to chan.
I just think it's karma, man.
Or in the karma marriage and the karo pumula msadzi.
No, I think it's karma. Makhadzi was. It was insane. Papa wanted the matching tattoos and
the matching outfit. It's opera when they were matching with the wife.
And I'm, atiko rindo kotaka ero rjoite ati diburo riwa nyinya zi riwa nya funeral nyura 75. But
78.
But my chat is, I feel like men tend to see these slay queens. They are perfect.
I think it's that thing, or when you live with someone, it's different than girlfriend in na mubona once in a while. You're not building anything with them.
Just like no sipo mami club. That's what happened.
No sipo ndola when I was 18.
Yes. That's the thing. Because the queen of queens.
Until you get to know this person.
Until you spend 3 months with them in the house, then you realize Instagram.
Exactly.
That's what I'm saying. So I feel like men it always looks greener.
Yeah,
on
and the other side.
But till she comes in and then you realize this person treat her bad, right? Like
Marana now Leroy no wrong because Kolana share Mihlali, and men always put themselves first. So I'm sure no kora indonetanga and whenever songor chifi unding the Mihlali rukochita.
Yeah.
That's what runja get.
Personally, I don't think a man that once made me a side chick. That's my chat. Did she gonya uko bana mwafa?
Exactly.
So that person I'm not special Rene Odoro Odzurario. I must cheat on my woman because of this girl. Oh my gosh, she's the most amazing. She's beautiful. Unabona ka upirane so. Ndichi gonya, ndichi to upgrade you. Ola mfumagaza chingara. Uko da mwafa. So I don't know what she thought. I think she thought she was all that. Mar uchita, I don't think he ever stopped because na urobo Mihlali I don't believe it. Once you can have a second person, you can have a fourth person.
That's true.
So I just think over Dumesa Mihlali, I think over main side chick, if that's even a word, because he does look like the cheating type, honestly.
Maybe we could overcompensate. Oh, you want to like video yako Jima? Leroy.
Yo.
It's that thing. Maras nana okay. Ati duburu na yona chere. Marati hobo nezla Mihlali kori ola chere dia ya Mexico. Uko swipe Mihlali ngori yawe yuko decline. So
na Mihlali ujia mtu wa mtu akoyo murengera akoyo muspoiler akoyo la chere dia like how make it make sense. Also guys, disclaimer, if you're a side chick you can't be using your own money, period. That's just it.
As a
Because
girlfriend at the time.
it does.
Man, say chick ngora.
Just say
have
chick.
they divorced?
They're not, you know what I'm saying? Like, and in this story, in the one I'm going to fungo naturally. The matter what exactly. Ninga Leroy has been like this financially for some time.
Yeah.
And the wife over kukuno pecha. And whenever once you start doing stuff for them, Mambo they have a jola and they're like, I don't know why.
And your business now is out there.
I once had an ex when I'm bringing a cologne. I'm the jola like I think I could no carries. The problem was in the cologne. So Jakum, ndozi diba uri ndoto zvifamu yani uri ndikasi upeyo nenga Sunday nga Friday ndo andiko fama fungo ndi cologne.
The cologne
Yei
problem.
And I'm sure there are girls that would say, oh my God, he smells good.
It smells so
honey,
nice.
that is my cologne.
So
I think ndisha pungo ngoba rengera masogisi. Like I've taken a sit back.
Masogisi are right.
My previous one do renga bubu. Katobara arewezo because I'm just like I am so tired of men doing this to us. Like I mean you can never be enough, I guess, because they'll just always want more and one more and one more and one more. But anyways, Mihlali I think the kama mara arari orri was sorry.
Timara nene there was that incident. Yeah. Ufinye that guy oviso mapungwabo. Ulawa blogger man.
Yes, Musa Kawula.
Musa allegedly to Diana officing or something like that.
Yes. And Amba Mihlali is very violent. And then anyone there know you had come from my family. If you come from my family.
Yeah, that's true. Nali Roy Mara I think Neno Koto Zimerera. So both of this and Chirba toxic very chan. Mara Mihlali is that thing or Tindo Mjaga Mfumakadzo holding us Muriche. Ziyashonisa ngor basokor roni buzo last.
Itonga relationship ya Cindy Makatini na fellow. Did you know about it? And batubabo amba uriko dopera. So I think yayopera. I think by the time Richie yamba yayono dipera. Zachipoto shoni so do ambro. Okay guys, you were right.
Your pera.
Guys, Richie jeba batu ne.
Kana
rengo ba janza ngofodiwa nabo.
Ndinyo jia ntun kafelo.
Nah, Cindy is just a baddie.
She is a baddie. Mara fellow was zana bamufuna.
Bafuna ene mara and then what? And then to me he looks like a softie. He looks like a guy that was very soft and then he just made it in the music industry. You can't take away that soft side of a person. I think he was too soft for her.
For her.
Yeah. And the Amburo
Mara say no something or relationship people.
Tonga. Angabo bondoneta. Just when I the babies look good, nikule.
And put them in the house. And then you're like, yeah, no, ndingasiko in lifestyle.
Still mutunicherka big chickens to ashira madia da Japan. I'm just saying. Na iwane ko boro meko score right. Igray. But I'm just saying.
No, ndingoma.
Yeah. So no solution and I realize like it's the smallest things that will irritate you. Hakonwa zambete. Now when it's like gunu budzo yanganginta. And then you're just like
I can't live like this.
Yes. So she was on the dating vacations. And also I feel like he was really a small boy for Cindy. Cindy has been with bigger bags and like I'm sure
I'm sure.
So felondi gigingan palabet. Yes, he makes money. Marajin was come roko to your chere yo compete as a businessman or ministers or wherever, but when she probably has dated allegedly. She doesn't probably. You were far up, but I'm just saying that I think he was too much of a. I think he was a softer. Yeah, I think he was too soft. So all you wanna genge ya.
It's a big boy.
Big boys, you know, big boys are sexy. One solver, you know, solver. Gorgeous Mbali. No, the Marandas are Dohana. I'm just saying, I'm not.
And the Drog was bring up.
Now, Gorindina Mutu Dohana, but I'm just saying.
No, but now in a picture, gorgeous Mbali, I could push a premium, can find 37K.
Yeah.
But it was a go, Bangamapunguala familiar.
Mara, that's the thing.
Una
family, those Kwambi, Mara. Yeah. But those drama kuziyamba manje did the honest so.
And ngasubuye murao.
Yeah. Ara na muratu. Wouldn't be better.
Unai muratu.
Muratu tutumona. Angawazi ngona kasai.
Onaka.
Anguna kanzo.
Shede ufemini munana kunaka
chikwa. Munaka.
Ati dutu Tom says this.
Really?
No, I haven't looked at him.
No, he is good looking. I'll give you a picture. He is. I don't know. Okay, Mara, my good looking. Oh, okay, what's your type? Light skinned, dark?
No, dark.
Tall, short?
Tall.
Dark talk and handsome.
Dark talk and handsome.
Oh, that's your type.
Yeah. Imagine a guy like
That's why
than
it's the provider. You're getting as the provider.
But Dakas is the provider.
The model. They don't have time for providing.
They're
just looking out for themselves. So they want to make music. They want to draw. Chawandu pose. And she buy another for them. Like I've said it multiple times. Gorgeous men. I'm not gonna take you anywhere. No, I just want a man that will make my life easy.
So provide.
I didn't say anything about providing.
Is it tall?
Is
it dark?
Who is who? He's very dark. He's very dark. Yeah, the mood to bad sesa. No man de sesa. A month. Yeah, but I'm just saying, Ore, I just feel like with the whole thing, people always think Tuzanganda is better.
It glitters, but is it gold? Something like that.
Exactly. Not everything that glitters is gold. You wanted us to talk about things that we can't do in August. I don't know. Things that we're not allowed to do.
Venda,
it's not a black thing.
Something. They were other cultures. I should have asked my mom because she's not Nasimu Venda. She's Tsonga.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have a Tsonga name?
No, I only have one name. I don't know who the last was.
Why was Omupa not magnificent?
Imagine. And everyone Zinashi Tsonga.
Spaghetti.
What of a dictionary?
Yeah. Have it. This one, yes, oh, nice. So your mom is Tsonga and your dad is Venda.
Yeah, because I'm Venda.
Ngori and Ubakela side in all that is like both Tsongas and Vendas.
Yeah, but me and Gaba decided zilla.
Where does she come from? Does your mom come from Giani?
No, this side.
Malamlele.
Ngeno.
Really? She's a Tsonga from Joburg.
Yeah. What of Furuchera because one Amutu. You know, you're like, let's build that.
I can go anywhere with my love. Love of my life. Fly out of the country. I would do anything. No, because I mean, why? Why not?
Exactly. Love.
Are you the firstborn?
No, one of two. I have an older sister.
Oh, nice.
Probably.
So it's just girls.
No, just the two of us.
And are you guys close? Are you guys like?
Yeah,
I really wish I had an older
sister.
Oh, that's nice. I really wish I had an older sister.
It's nice. I recommend everyone needs one.
So my little sister is having fun.
Yeah, because older sisters make your life easier.
Hi, Bo.
You know, backup. Okay, if it's a proper older sister, I'm sure Bawane will know. Yeah, but mine are proper.
So you guys have been close since
No, but you know, like when you're younger, and stuff. Yeah. But now that we're older, I feel like we can relate more.
Yes.
Because we have a 7-year difference, so you can just imagine maybe in the primary and high school, we're going through different things.
7-year difference. I have an aunt, Anirna, 9 years difference, and she
feels like your older sister. Like, at least Mara.
Yeah, I even forget she's my aunt because we're like. We literally
close.
Talk about everything.
Are you close? So, that's good, Mara.
So many of my little sisters having fun. Mara, I still wish I had an older sister.
And older sisters, but spoiler the younger ones. I'm just saying. Yes. What are older sisters for?
Still.
You have to.
And the Wambara size 8. Nena namsika age young and the Ambara 450. Marinati don't ask me how. I don't know. Please don't ask me questions. Jipanga tissue or make something
serious.
Yeah. So speaking of things that we can't do
in August. Did you watch the TikTok?
I watched the video, but I find it very weird.
Why?
It sounds demonic though.
This is superstition. It's the belief Zori. Till September is the new year.
Kanyi? Who said that?
Black people. But you know calendar disanity or I think Nimako what black people had their own calendar or something along those lines. Because I know that Ethiopian people calendar
that we've spoken about that.
Yes. So Narina apparently it was like that. The way you plant and things like that, like these things make sense or why. I don't know the logistics.
Yeah.
But when I saw the video, I was like, it's interesting, you know, because but when they just do things. But I think sometimes it happens if you believe it. And if you know those things and you're like, oh, okay, let me not do because 1, 2, 3 will happen. I think Dobianda's family no, he won't release an album in August, he'll release in September. Because something along those lines.
Mara, what's the worst that could happen to an album? You know.
No, I too feel you don't do things in August.
Mara, okay, I visa idea. I mean, like what's the
worst?
If
you believe and you know these things, then you're just like, let me not test fate.
August. Nyo thoma fata nsebing August ndabona uri ido pushana. Atoko you can't start anything.
Yeah.
So jambura sichone chimwe chazi DM cho slide it. Guys,
Don't
no
slide.
sliding in DMs. Natoma, it's not going to work out. Are we doing
Lobola,
you don't move out as well.
You don't take if you're pregnant, for you know that cultural thing. If a girl's pregnant and you tell your family, if you're nisi, you and get to the guy's place or that chin or whatever, however they say it. Imagine.
And also I'll move you and you just moved.
Don't move her next door.
This
situation,
Mara or move.
But now I don't necessarily believe it's legit.
Ne?
Yeah.
Because nazo
But I'm sure kare, yeah, so serious. But very cultural.
But I'm thinking of it, I've never heard of a wedding in August. Maybe
you have a garden wedding or like your matrimonial is outside.
I don't want that. I don't want that outside.
I
don't want that outside thing. Atitembi weather in every way.
Yeah, because anything can happen.
It's not even about yeah, it can be anything.
Or the sun is to end Venda a piece if you're getting married
like,
in
bro,
Venda, for example.
Okay, I've valent tomorrow Venda going to drive. Okay, Mara, right now I'm not even thinking of marriage. Do you want to get married? Do you think of marriage like that?
I do want to get married.
Nice.
My parents are married. I think it's nice.
Ne? It's cute, ne?
It's cute. There's no potential as well as it.
I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just that it's not like on my list.
You're not sure? But if it happens, it happens.
Yeah, I'm not looking for it. I'm not waiting for it. I'm not like doing things.
Okay, I'm not. But I'm just saying what I wanted.
Ne?
Yeah,
and
not that I'm actively like
you actually
working.
want it, and if you pray about it, then you're definitely gonna.
It'll happen.
So you do pray about it.
Or no.
Do you believe in describing exactly what you want when you pray? Like
yes, Sierra's prayer.
And even yasiya zvimwe nari told again and then
God gives you exactly
what you prayed for.
He does. I feel like
wait a song and I was very specific and it happened and I'm just like yes sis, I'm good, Lord, it's cool. I want to be grateful. So okay, before do we still have time? Okay, before I want us to talk about the Pastor Mboro issue.
Drama.
I don't know. Personally, I've never taken him serious, so none of it was shocking. No, nendo Toma usaba fesa kare bakadwena manana, and also atfuna mfunzi arena matata. I felt like he was too out there. And that's personality, even if you're a pastor, you'll still be loud. So if I one pastor, I'll still be this person.
Oh, I'm based, yeah.
Mara, there was just something offish.
Yeah, he's always... There was...
His response to things, because...
Yeah. But about your Jade again?
Bafunzi ba but we are Jade as Venda.
Hey, I did deep.
Mara,
I told you.
Pastor Mboro we are fariwane. Oh, Murito.
Yes. Oh, don't do one episode.
Yes, we are for so I don't think Mboro is we are for but anyway.
What's a drama, Mara? That's all I know. Management we at very like popular pastors like that.
For me, it's the response. Like Ningari. Okay, tinanda bora badadiziwa boitani mara samufunzi ni wana ni banga. Is that how you fight as a pastor?
Akunya jangwana wawe. So maybe miaola ngwana bori hada oi mutu mnisongotenda ngwana ndikuzinenda kuzumbre. That's why ati do ni ngwana wawe kana ni ngwana wa kana ndi
remember Peter Bibelin ochemwenga banga.
Oh, kuzika Peter.
Ukoita za Bibelin
because I'm like okay, I don't know mwana wawe.
Okay, so I'm guessing maybe bana dispute ya co-parenting if mwana wawe ti ati de mwana wawe
ari no blue eye
mara kokogodza mwana mutuku so ka imwe video
obona muore na blue eye ofodiwa ka imwe
ati omubona ndobona kokogodza mutuku so
mara ole wa blue eye afani naye. Also no pofi 76% of the DNA test on G was South Africa. Come out as a negative.
That's a scary fact.
That is a scary fact. And that is why I'm not trying to get pregnant.
The paternity.
Yes.
Marofana, no, okay, it was just a discussion. Baby, I'll test do men.
I think that's better.
Men are codes.
I think it's
because what if they
safer.
swap your baby in the hospital?
Also
anything-
that.
things can happen. Okay, even though I've never actually what happened.
Hayatanjwa or something.
I don't
Why have
know.
you nani or whatever?
Especially maybe if you had like a C-section or something like that. Or,
Yeah.
Okay, I'm guessing. Kana, if you natural birth, isn't that more hectic? I don't
But
know. But
I think she
yeah.
could do it.
Abaite because sometimes bangobomme apabanazi
And there's lots of film me wanna you know diba kotsi. I don't think
sometimes
ma 2000 acha
Yo,
diba.
utanganana.
Ma 2000 ono bilinganya zvitu. They don't know anything. Like they are as shocked as we are.
Mara wo safe ngo.
I don't say so. I feel like it would be a good thing.
I think it's a good thing, or at least
because imagine you're
after
a man,
raising,
you've invested so much. Kana nito zvipfanga murau ene mune mena wana vonotusa notoda kotsi chipirini nichikomujenisa curo nichosving ini nichichimbira nikobarirangana underwear
and they just expect you to
it's
move
traumatic
on.
And then that's why vana vachidhiuraya the suicide dzodara because of things like this because hey you're paid lip therapy guys but don't tangera
mara ngantoni ngampastor Mboro I'm just guessing ndizva co-parenting atidhivi uri mwana wawe na and then he was like threatening I'm sure bohana namwana I'm guessing and then after ovavona vula masecurity nazvigidhi vavakochimbira naye
as a bodyguard dzawe
I'm guessing mara ndimupfupi for his
why do
dramatic
pastors
acts.
need bodyguards if all we need is prayer?
Hey, that's a very good question. As a popularity neyako vaitisoro vave nadzi bodyguard
but they do a meaning anyi chine mudzima ngaziva protect
ndonyanga uri vakotemba mudzimu na atidhivi uri kuitira mini ngavo ti
I just don't get it though. I really don't get it. I don't think it's necessary. I think it's cloud chasing.
vakoita chelede business ezvila zvitu
Yeah, I mean you're
so maybe like okay maybe vakoshaura kuti criminals dovatargeta for chelede yamunikero enedzidzi if
mara ichimbira navona chelede yamunikero
ative kotombori thangwe ndasvika ndari app kabvise maybe things along those lines.
Okay, that's where things go wrong. Araitaiti kwa street kabone vane usina treasure usina account ya kereke then that's where the problem is.
Yeah, but maybe they can threaten the person. Not to do Rowan as bodyguard. Maybe they can threaten.
I don't get what his reason is. Now afindura wakojia mwana banga mufunzi kwa guy nalo. Okay, why nalo at the first place? Only one guy.
I'm sure because
nyongo skaita mini kanyinga banga. I don't get it.
Because even after ola mwana onotwati he tried he went back and stuff.
Ndobona kusumba bangwe akurini ndonera belela zvinhu.
Ndozvibona mara chitonga kana ujele ngoro na dzibutler mara I don't think abajele. I'm just like zvino vatu avachasave vanga mudzimu
ndivafunzi
vanovavapodza
mara zvinongo zvotobudza mutu uri ndandonipodza ndimusino yakavongangana tangana vo taxi vatu musikodzungudza to vachinisedza vasikuri sorry vakasongolira so no man
mara kereke yopisi ndovona video ichikopisi and it was a big church so I'm guessing
the whole time
obodende nendokorina kereke una chipata tango vanacho
ndikaresa kushumula munna for kereke wewe kadiva plastic
mara tonga chimwe chipinga zvithu zvozvikotseka nyana so maybe
because he's been really quiet.
Yeah, maybe he had to build footy from scratch.
I think chipinga chehatsa vobushiri zvithu zvikoya pasi navonyi it started
mara tivalwa na bushiri along I think kana ula pastor Mboro amba something abushiri zvino ngori zvithu zvikuitea zvantuni zvapastor Mboro ti bushiri kana ufina ino amboria you get what you're looking for type of thing like
no man I've never taken him as and I feel like ever since the whole bushiri thing Lekau the pastor vela vovuza mtolova I think vashtuku vako exposiwa like these pastors.
The problem ndi vatu vako chase all the miracles. It is not obviously pastors will always but vako kunyanga the tricks dziswa zotakadza vatu. The business is zvila zvitu vakunyanga kunga vatu.
How are we supposed to know who's the real pastor and who's not?
You must pray for discernment. But ofana nodziposa hote. Napo koduma ngapa you go. Let's be serious guys. And the problem is people are not looking for God anymore. They're looking for miracles. That's like true. I want things like this to change. I want money, you know. I receive where's God?
So if you go to a church where supposed to auna testimony, then you are like, nah, this is not my place.
Hey.
Testify.
Una dramatic acting ufunza ukodako flyer from the roof. Uchi worship you inani ko worship.
Makhadzi Kambe zvabuti come correct. Kambe zvabuti
flag Venda.
Abe ubi ndi royal
Venda.
ubugaya jena ngantha royal ni royal
Makhadzi ndi Beyonce
oh
washo
jena ngantha
songolwa naye
uyachada
ango
mami water
vadomona chikepe nyana mara
chikepe uyoroba za mermaid
yi zvingasiti
za mami water zvasadoita mukomana wanga no that was not gonna work no but I feel like I guess we just need to understand if you're going to church, let's all go Ryoto Damudzimu, because once you start looking for specific stuff, that's where things go wrong.
Exactly.
Because all these fake
and the
also
demand.
The follow mtu kana muroba
mean
the follow mtu kana Instagram, so I go on his page. Page your Tendi Bushiri. I'm like,
I'm sure I hope I'm going
to follower back ngane.
I hope I'm going to follow back.
What? And I'm like, Atwamba posted Zakari in 5 days ago, and this person had pictures of Bushiri everywhere, videos. My father. People
after
do.
What happened,
you need to understand, Uri. Cults are real, not Uri. Bushiri is a cult.
Okay. It's psychological.
Just Uri. Una cult ya black couch ina zongo drop the attackers, right? Una cult ya royal. Una cult ya royal. Una cult, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, Ola is stronger. Because I remember even, did you watch the episode you choose the Owami? Did you watch it?
Obviously I watched it.
Remember there was a time you're over Aka.
Because she talked about it after Vakazo, and then she's like, yeah, that visa this amount of money, we didn't even eat, you know, things like that. I'm just like,
I used to follow her at Kadijena Yone over Mudau. She would unsubscribe because of that. Like, but what you were better and then I unsubscribed. Yeah, she's okay now.
Yeah.
So like we can't just mention names. It doesn't matter what your pastor does. You still get up on Sunday, you shower and you go.
Yeah,
doesn't that say anything to you? Don't you think it messes up your spirit as well?
It does. No, but like namfunzi na inoko contribute something on your spiritual journey. So if mfunzo on you're going to listen to his sermon or if atiduru ba preacher na babatu ukozubona I don't know if ba preacher babatu atituyadzikarekenza fire so I don't
no bafunza mara abafunzi
zezori you get money, God will.
Yes, it's not preaching, it's not teachings where we read a couple of Bible verses and then we go deep into
there's also prayer and you humbera
ubaruwa verse 3 minutes nyana upapa voice ya gonyera ntaka batoma uchimira wakoni budzano you're going to get this, you're going to get this and I really don't like that talk when it comes to church. Atifunu bandiko budzofi I don't like talking about witches because
I believe
guys also believe but I'm not here you know. I want to learn the Bible. I want to learn. I want to know more about God. I'm seeking the kingdom of God.
Because why you focusing kabaro, you call it your focus. And
I've seen a lot of people do.
Don't you trust God to protect you?
My child, that is why I'll never go for something.
Or like
if you have a band, if you have water, if you have a pen, if you have newspaper, I'm sorry, my darling. I am sorry, my darling. I don't want to talk about newspapers a lot because forever. You know
the distinction.
And I don't want to see Mara. Let's leave it at that. What's the anointing oil? I no problem. I feel like the charity. Come push a tithe. Or people must take out tithe. Because I feel like tithe is real. People must take out tithe. Whether you like it or not, you must offer. Mara, once you now want to come and make money, look where you're watching. As I was saying, or newspaper or the same so I don't want to go back there. I really don't want to go back there, honestly.
It's trusting things more than God.
Yes, and actually the first time yenda funzo about these things, I think I was in high school. Woman zinga kufunza about faith. Wafunoita like a thread. The thread series.
Seriously.
It's the same thing.
Because
Vakufunza nga faith, and then he kept on emphasizing Uri. The minute you like karenina banda, you're gonna feel like there's something wrong with you, and that's where you lose your faith in God. Yeah, that's where you lose your faith in God, because now if I'm gonna think the person to do an penny, then who is your God? Do you understand? Yeah. So when he started doing that, that's when I was like, okay,
it's not for me anymore.
This is not for me. No, matter rare could read this wakare makula just finish the anointing oil. yo, and it used to stress me out. I remember not your setup yet you know public get this TV.
Oh, it's channel as
a baba bidzando ri set it ndichiri azvikoita ndiko avoid uri vazvibone because
the whole day it's record ambe channel
and I used to press some stuff. I press some 0 and then do what. And then my grandmom had even turned me into some technician. This is my public guy. Shandi makule. IT. Vachitori munduru anga azviboni izvo zvito uzovaitira kapatowe naye ndibuye muchikoro ndiwanodoriteriwa ndijiwe ndiedisete ndopoachidhayara. It was so funny, but I feel like those were the days and people didn't know better at that point. People just wanted they didn't know better man. I
heard about even then from where I stay so Venda late Tinina N1 so serious.
This for Venda lights. Venda meaning.
And the Venda key. Which Venda combining it? Because no, seriously.
Okay, so we are gonna be closing soon. I'm just doing this in Royal. We spoke about Royal already, but I just wanted to emphasize on the ticket prices, right?
Yes.
Zadzi Maki. So in the one day, apparently 4 tags the 10K. I don't know. I think Mboro ni wana 4 tags na wana na. I'm guessing ni wana 4 tags na wana na tab ya 10K or 8. Ingatoa 8 kamus. Maybe ngawuma 800.
Around there.
Yo 8,000. And then 20K for 8 tags and then 50K for 10 tags. I think it's quite reasonable.
To take in the batuti.
Yeah, utikiti zojini about.
Or like 10K 4 tags for 4
people.
Jambore
10K. Yeah, if 50K for 10 tags, record visa guy each. Even here 10K easy. Here 4 tags because it's 2.5 per person.
Yeah.
So that's very reasonable considering the fact that they're not the VIP. They go to one bangana barabasi busy. Because I really want to go and I feel like it's worth it looking at the luxury of things. Last year this already somewhere because it looked luxurious. Like it looked so amazing. I think we done as fireworks. I don't know, but I really want to attend it this time. Una design. But I'm thinking. You cancel Gucci la kamia mumur.
DM for price.
No one is gonna know, honey. No one is gonna know. So for other prices, people should go check out their social media pages. I think it is Royal Gardens.
Instagram. Bana Instagram.
Instagram.
Gondo zamuva says atungo. No one para they had to post that too showing Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram it is Royal Heritage Festival. And then Facebook as well, Royal Heritage Festival. And then Twitter, which is X, it is Royal Festival. So yeah, people should go check it out. Also, there's the gospel one. When Tanga told me, it's really bad. It's really bad. I think the Doya. Because I mean, who doesn't want to watch Benjamin?
When is it? It's on Friday.
Yeah, it has to be on a Friday, right? It has to be, it's the 13th. So Mboro, I mean, a pre-party. What the funga mic?
Zvivaone zvote.
Oh, sorry.
Ati pre-party vanoko ifunza kutoda vantu ya gospel Mboro they pre-party.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then I'm seeing Benjamin Dube, Dakindo, obviously, Rokwa Manyaga, Worship House.
Line up.
Kamu M, I don't know who that is. Take Show, that guy is so good. You know him? I'm gonna send you his music. He is so good. Takisi Kwibiru, I love her too. She's pretty good. Who else? What that is? Faith of Our Fathers. Mukondi Marabi. Ndibunya. Angasi licho badibe. Tendo. Michael. And then surprise acts, not surprise acts. Puru sotenga. It well ndo. Yeah. I think it's gonna be interesting. And I love the fact that
I like the
Agape. Have you been to Agape? Do you know where Agape is?
No.
It's a beautiful church.
I've never
so I feel
been.
like it's gonna I guess.
I guess not.
Yeah, I guess you're not going to but it's okay. I'm gonna give them their flowers. Their church is
But
very
I
nice.
elite line up here. We are
Jamburu mutu angaya hapa noni aya after party ya aya. Yeah, that could work. Mara nendo wamura anacha konumwa ruviri, hey? If I choose Friday, I can't drink for the entire. I'm sick the entire weekend.
What are you saying? You must pace yourself.
And it's not barbarob the pin.
As a peanut 2 days.
No, I can't. So I think maybe I'll just do the gospel. Gospel because you're not drinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Mara, this is a very big weekend for Venda. And I feel like that's where a lot of people make money, not makeup artists. They make
more people
so
be booking.
They make
I'm sure
good
service
money.
Providers, nails, hair, everything. Like obviously
Everything.
the girls is go nice.
Then I thought I'll do it to another and then I'll do my makeup in Venda. Yeah, that's if my makeup artist is fully booked. Because I remember last year nga Royal, I was going to a wedding. So nendo yandaitiwa nga machero ni ngori nduka mnyanyani. Obona batu wanotomuitwa for Royal yanga madekwana. So yes, after the obona queue, people were kutomuitwa. I remember na Miss P she was doing her makeup and so I feel like I do think
to make money.
It's time to make money in Venda. It's a good initiative.
That's why the lineup ikufana. Royal Nantun. Nange Makhadzi. But there's some people that are there. No, I'm saying a few people.
Lamis.
A few people.
Actually, a few people who are maboni.
I saw.
Mahu.
Hey.
Una mahu mangazi.
Ndikwamba bavenda ke. Ndobona
Make
bavenda.
G. Guys, Timon and Pumbaa.
That would have been cute to make it their thing.
But I love the fact that Venda with Opang, I'm seeing as a T.
Even though I started listening
Dali
to
Wonga
them
used to be
now.
cute then. Now he's just a dark boy. I
don't know.
No, I think mutu wa duma dumuruwa.
Oh, yeah, I think that's what happened to him.
But duma dumuruwa, and that's just.
No, he seems to be doing well. It has advert so it has the chest out.
So pera. Honiyo
So like, what do you think of the lineup? Yeah, Royal. Now that you're official, remember last year watu complain or not hayan. Complain. So what do you think of people in?
Yes, people are complaining. Don't want a video. Yeah, there's this guy on it as a video on TikTok. Akori, Jamur Royal because we used to think Royal is a place where people go spend money. People have to understand. Yeah, budget at least by 16. No, I'm just being honest. So we have to sacrifice, and we need to stop acting like.
I feel like because and a lot of the like lineup if I know majority but to Venda if I know to Venda
and that's what they cried for. So now everyone is there.
To know corrida food. Yo.
Racha.
Hey, I think on.
Okay, I'm seeing Asati Racha
on the side.
Black Motion as well. Oscar Mbo. Oscar Mbo. Come on, Rizamo and Ratafred since now Oscar. I just wanna. You're a fakolo no rindi.
It looks like
Root
it smells
Kid
good.
And apparently Root Kid Venda is also part of the people that are promoting it. So people should
that's
be
good.
on the
Plus what
lookout.
happened in the last year.
Yes.
So I feel like this is good. Like he put in the hours and everything. Bakum recognize.
Yeah, I feel like they gave him the platform. He's working with Terry. Terry the big dude. I don't know what his surname is. Mudau. Terum doubt. Vadau vaya funa zitu yo.
It's a popular surname.
Vadau.
It is
Vadau. Yo.
It's a popular saying. Aungasibe Venda said the mtu wa Mudau.
Yo Vadau. And then gospel iko promote wanga Ropu Waneteng, which is from Paraparaiso. You know her, right? Ati uzo na yusu ipati
jesi radio. Kalenda yani ya Parapara.
Muzemto over Sunday Times. Ka age mushamunga mwana mutu.
Ndikarende koyebala since primary kwambazo zino. Ne? Ndikarende kazo zithu. But I like being up to date in our current news.
Ndikubona na Premier Hotel your sponsor. I'm seeing reviews on Premier Hotel and they're not looking good. Apparently the food is bad. No one mukona aibona video yasinete akwamba ka Premier Hotel ndobona akozamo la brown yapala akuroirwa ichitonga chidini
Yo. Ndizvakare mari maybe
chikonzi chamakoti
ndiyakare tango vono improve
no oyazvina I'm sure ndiri a weekend
Oyazvina.
or a day ago or whatever so
mara
it was
they have
pretty
time a
bad.
couple of weeks to good as a recipe properly.
No, I think the lineup is good. guys.
Yeah,
I think
nende
it's-
yefuna
Oh, I can't wait to meet McG. No, I really need to be
Magina
inside.
Soul.
Inside McG. And so I love McG more. Funny enough.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, cause he doesn't change.
Yeah.
When a moon, he's not
I
a
like
people,
them both,
he's not a
man.
people's pleaser. You know, I love Soul, but I love McG more.
Mm.
He's not a people's pleaser. He's doing his own thing. I just
No,
love
no,
him.
yeah,
I don't
Navid.
know. Ish at David. Tikoni. So yeah, don't decide. So we'll do the gospel one, and then we'll do right after party a
After
pre,
party. And then the next
and then
day,
just have 2 drinks.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then you'll drink.
Yeah. Mara, at the end of the day, we need to give them their flowers. They're making Venda look
Very
like, I
good.
mean, everyone is going to make money from but the lodge, they're always fully booked.
Yeah, during that weekend.
Ungamangala ayani rodi rakamarantira rentisa.
Rentisa ndichipinga choita chelede.
But I'm just saying. So yeah, guys, that is it from Women's Month. Can we close the show? Ningotiodana close the show. What do you mean? Tingotiodana vara. So guys, that's it from
Yo.
us. Chibuya asongojedzi commenters beyambiru nditi hava tubaitisa
Ndikoshava ndingasivali.
but varwara
Vabe nice.
they are crazy vapenga don't even listen to them asima please yava kona acherede ene
Ndingo.
you are so dumb